Welcome to CSS Cleaning, and in this video we will show you how to deep clean your home sofa. Your sofa is more than just a piece of furniture, it's a central hub for relaxation and family gatherings. But it can accumulate dust, stains, and odors over time, compromising its comfort and appearance. That's where deep cleaning comes into play. It's a crucial part of maintaining a healthy, inviting living space. As part of this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through each step of the process, from preparation to the final touch. So, if you're ready for a cleaner, fresher, more inviting sofa, stay tuned. Before diving into the cleaning process, assess the type of fabric your sofa is made of. Different fabrics require different cleaning methods. It's crucial to check the manufacturer's recommendations or care label. Your sofa could be made from a variety of materials such as cotton, linen, leather, microfiber, or synthetic blends. Now let's gather the necessary tools for this deep cleaning mission. You'll need a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment for removing loose dirt. A soft bristle brush or cloth will help you gently scrub away stubborn dirt. Get a stain remover suitable for your sofa fabric, and prepare an upholstery cleaner. This could be a store-bought solution or a homemade concoction. White vinegar and baking soda will come in handy for deodorizing, and of course, don't forget water. Lastly, you'll need microfiber cloths or paper towels for blotting and drying. Once you've gathered all your cleaning tools and products, you're ready to begin. Start by giving your sofa a thorough vacuuming. This will help remove loose dirt, dust, and debris. Equip your vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment and get to work. Glide over the surface in a systematic manner, ensuring every inch gets the attention it needs. Remember, it's not just the visible areas that need care. Creases, seams, and hidden corners are often the hideouts for crumbs, pet hair, and other pesky particles. If your sofa has removable cushions, don't forget to vacuum both sides. Now let's move on to spot cleaning. Even the most careful among us can't prevent occasional spills and stains. The key here is promptness. Act quickly to prevent the stain from setting in. Choose a stain remover that's safe for your sofa's fabric. For fabric sofas, a mixture of mild detergent and water often does the trick. But remember, the goal is to blot, not rub. Start from the outside of the stain and work your way in. This helps to contain the stain and prevent it from spreading further. With vacuuming and spot cleaning out of the way, you're ready for the next step. Remember, deep cleaning your sofa is not just about maintaining its looks, but also about ensuring a healthy and comfortable environment for you and your loved ones. So let's roll up those sleeves and move on to the next stage of this cleaning adventure. Choosing the right upholstery cleaner can make a big difference in the result. There are a number of excellent options available. For those who prefer store-bought solutions, consider the Bissell multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. This compact machine is designed for deep cleaning and works well on a variety of fabrics. Another popular choice is the Woolite carpet and upholstery cleaner, known for its gentle yet effective formula, making it suitable for delicate fabrics. Alternatively, the Resolve upholstery cleaner is a foam cleaner that's easy to use and helps lift dirt and stains from upholstery. For those who prefer a DIY approach, try mixing equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the sofa with the solution, leave it for a few minutes, then blot with a clean cloth or sponge. This mixture is particularly effective for removing odors. No matter which cleaner you choose, the key is to use it properly for best results. Once you've cleaned your sofa, you'll want to deodorize it to remove any lingering odors. Let's talk about a natural and easy way to do this. Baking soda, a common kitchen ingredient, can be your best friend. Sprinkle a generous amount over your sofa and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes. Then, vacuum it off. This simple procedure can help eliminate stubborn odors, leaving your sofa smelling fresh and clean. Now let's move on to some specific cleaning hacks for microfiber sofas. These sofas are known for their softness and durability, but they can be a bit tricky to clean. A great trick is to use rubbing alcohol. Dab a bit onto a clean white cloth and gently blot any tough stains. Remember, always do a patch test in an inconspicuous area first. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to a cleaner, fresher sofa. Remember, regular deep cleaning can extend the life of your sofa and keep your living space inviting and healthy. For leather sofas, a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar can be used to clean and condition the leather. Wipe with a soft cloth and buff to a shine. These natural fabrics may benefit from a mixture of lemon juice and salt to tackle stains. Test in an inconspicuous area first to ensure color fastness. Regular deep cleaning is essential to keep your sofa looking and feeling its best. By following these steps and utilizing the recommended products and cleaning hacks, you can revitalize your sofa and create a clean and inviting living space. Remember to always test any cleaning product or solution in a small, inconspicuous area before applying it to the entire sofa. With a little time and effort, your sofa can regain its freshness and become a cozy haven for relaxation once again. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and comment below what you think. Subscribe to our channel for more cleaning-related content.